Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this Nissan Navara. So from any screen, first of all, we make sure Bluetooth is switched on like so, and then we're watching out at the bottom. This car has two Bluetooth audio systems, so no doubt parrots come up there. That's not the one we want. So over to the audio system, we click settings, we turn down to Bluetooth, click Bluetooth, and you've got pair Bluetooth devices, click pair. Is the Bluetooth device you are trying to pair a mobile phone? Yes, it is. So we've now got my car come up. We click my car. There you go, using your handset, look for Bluetooth. The pins 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Click pair. Allow contacts and favorites to sync. Allow. Let's see, and it's connected.